All right, welcome home, Bitcoin Truth Seekers. I am back, and today is an amazing day, as you might know. XRP has done incredible, so let's check that out. Let's check the market out in general. So, of course, BitcoinDailyView.com got more for you there. Bitcoin trading volume today is 6.9 billion. That's pretty good, but what's really impressive is that XRP, of course, it is 6.9 billion today too. So that is an extraordinary volume. Let's compare that to, let's say, SHIB at 82 million. So as you can see, XRP has basically, the world has changed today. XRP, come on, click. Why is that not coming back? Oh, 82 million, sorry. So Bitcoin, 6.9 billion. And then, of course, XRP comes in at, yeah, it says 6.9 billion. Yeah, okay, there you go. So it's extraordinary. Then, of course, we look at you just compare it to something else like SHIB, that's 82 million. So basically, that is extraordinary. XRP has gone insane today. World's different. So looking at, let's see, I'm going to just, let's skip that chart. XRP coins surge after judge delivers a huge win to Ripple in its case against the SEC. We'll see if this sticks. I doubt that Gensler is going to really take this lying down. We shall see. This might just be one battle in the war between good and evil. We shall see. Right now, XRP won the day and it pumped billions of volume. So definitely goes to show the eagerness that humanity is to have something good happen and be a part of it, because they certainly have been today. We can see right here on CNBC, last 24 hours, XRP is up 73%. We'll look at that closer in a sec. But if you look at the traditional markets in general, looking at this stuff, Dow took a dump today, NASDAQ a dump today, S&P 500 took a dump today, Russell 2000 index, which I think is really better at seeing what the market's doing than the S&P 500, Russell 2000 took a slight dump today. All basically closed in the red, but do have some greens today for whatever reason. Google is in the green. NVIDIA up. It is just a nonstop performance machine. NVIDIA. And see, will this maximize for me? No, it won't. Anyway, NVIDIA doing incredible. NVDA, maybe we'll look at that before we check out of here. One thing I will say, looking at the 4-hour chart here for Bitcoin, we're going to look at this a little bit closer in a sec, but do watch out. We're starting to see some cells come in. This is a perfect BART pattern on the 4-hour chart, so do be careful. Starting to see some likelihood of that happening, so just beware. Bitcoin's going sideways. It's looking good. Had a lot of volume today, but watch out. I'm starting to see the cells come in. This would be a time where the whales might very well dump it. So looking at longs versus short sentiment here on Blockchain Whispers, it does make sense. 43% long, 56% short, and to be careful because, boom, we are looking at a perfect BART pattern completion, so beware. As you can see, the spot trading volume on all the big exchanges here went off the friggin' roof today, off the charts. 7-day chart here, boom, it exploded. This is an incredible day in the market. What are derivatives looking like for Bitcoin? 76 billion. That is remarkable. So anyway, definitely people have loaded up the leverage on Bitcoin, so do be careful. You know, you can actually see that almost better by looking at open interest, which is coming in at about 10 billion right now. We'll start looking at that. They actually kind of rearrange how they do these charts at CoinMarketCap, so it's a little bit hard to, I have to get used to them again. But you know, for derivatives, 76 billion, that's something. Then of course 10 billion open interest. We'll start looking at this daily, and I do think we definitely are on the just beware. We push pretty hard, and you know what happens after you pump hard, you know what happens after you dump hard, you know, you get a reversal. So looking at the Bitcoin right now, 31,246. That's wonderful. It's kind of enjoying the XRP surge today. XRP up 72%. That is remarkable. Cardano up 20%. Solana up 16%. What I like about today is that, like I say, this might just be a win in the battle. You know, like I said, I just don't see the SEC actually. I don't care what this judge says. If the SEC can kind of turn this over, if Gensler can turn this over, they will. You are looking at a judge, you know, just taking on the darkest evil of the deep state here. So let's just see what happens, because like I say, if you're making money, be sure to have that stop in, you know, stay in profit, because this could turn around. Like I say, tomorrow, trust me right now, there are demons who are, you know, farting blood and spitting venom who want this judge removed from the planet. I have no doubt, allegedly, just saying. So be careful. Top 100 crypto's doing great. Bitcoin's doing great. Beware, could be an incredible bark pattern forming right now. Beware for sure. Looking at XRP, as you can see, this is a 4-hour chart. It went crazy today. If I do a Fibonacci sequence here, let's like go boom, boom, up the top of this little spike there. It actually could be doing like a wick down bounce on the 382. I honestly think if this doesn't get reversed, I can tell you, I could truly see this continuing. Just because you've pumped does not mean that you cannot continue pumping. The camera's not on. Oh, camera's not on. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, you certainly could continue, pumping like this. So we definitely are at a pretty good support level. Let me pull this in here. Yeah, I mean, we're looking at this wick, we're finding some resistance here at the 236. That's not bad. So maybe we're going to start going sideways. That actually would make sense here. Maybe we'll just kind of get in a sideways channel here between the 236 and the 382. Like I said, and this is a really hard push. You can see the directional nexus beginning to tail off. Squeeze indicator still pumping. I know some people might think, oh, this is the end, it's not going to pump any further, but just watch. It definitely could. It would not surprise me at all. Like I say, if this ruling stays in place, that we see maybe a little bit of a sideways action, then a continuation, find support, and keep going. There's no reason this couldn't keep going. It's still under $1, and definitely if this ruling stays in place, like right now, what we're coming in at, like where is it at? Like 81 cents or so, I think. It can be hard to see sometimes with all these indicators I got on here. But yeah, what about 81 cents or so? Yeah, I mean, definitely I can see this thing getting above $1 once again easily and continuing. So let's just see if this ruling stays in place. Looking at Bitcoin explicitly, this is something that really does excite me. If we look a little closer here, I have this fib sequence that starts back around, let me correct that, right around the 15th of June. And you can see where we ran up. This fib sequence is really stuck pretty tightly. It was right here for a while. Of course, there was your top. So we just broke that. And like I said, we have this sideways channel running along. And we've kind of been stuck in that. But that's cool. You can kind of just play the momentum here. You can just kind of play these kind of trades. Are we going to now, is it time to short? Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens in the next couple of days. Let's see how the SEC responds to this slight against their demonic powers on this planet. Let's see if good wins, a bit more than just one battle. But we shall see. Right now, this is a 45-minute chart. No, 4-hour chart. I'm sorry. It's a 4-hour chart. And you can see the directional index is looking good. The ADX is trending up. Squeeze indicator is looking good. We've broken above that glass ceiling that we've had recently in the sideways channel. But of course, we are retracing pretty powerfully there. But we did have, 1, 2, 3, like 4 positive candles in a row. So they turned purple. That's kind of nice to see. Definitely Bitcoin benefited. Bitcoin might be the biggest winner. So, okay, so you can see we pumped. Now you have purple candles going up, yellow candles coming down. Now we're moving sideways. Directional nexus is beginning to trend off, but the squeeze is about to roll over. So maybe the immediate, crazy pump of the day has chilled out a little bit. If we do a fib sequence, let's go about here, do a fib sequence. A little bit lower. Yeah, it wouldn't surprise me. A 382 bounce is not a bad spot, but a .5 or a 618 would be really good. So let's just see. I think we're going to start to slow down and chill out a little bit. XRP may have had its run for the day. We shall see. Let's just all be patient. It is too hard to tell what's going to happen next. When you have pumps like this, they're really hard to ride. I got to admit, today I was working and I couldn't quite get to on my phone to trade, but I did. I got in, about halfway up. And I'm just going to hang out. I'm not going to take my profits. I'm just going to put a stop in profit. A stop in profit, basically, in case it does begin to retrace hard. But I don't know. Let's be optimistic. Let's see what happens. XRP is under $1 right now. Definitely, if this ruling stays in place, if the SEC can't beat it with its demonic voodoo powers and hitmen, allegedly, then this thing will probably be over $1 tomorrow. Just saying, not financial advice, just my guess. So take care. I will try to get. I'm back. I'm going to try to stick with it. I know I've said that many times, but really, I'm getting my kind of like work-life balance rearranged here, and I want to get on in the mornings, and if not, in the afternoon, I get home and start to do daily videos and have some fun again. So I'm back trading, and I'm back in the market, back in the videos. So take care, and let's just be glad that something incredibly good happened today. Whether even if we didn't win the war, we won the battle, and you know, every time you punch evil in the nuts, it's a good day. So take that, SEC, you disgusting evil monsters. Have a good day. Thanks for being a Bitcoin truth seeker and an optimist in the future.